I might have puked.
Unfavorable fortune, I guess.
I'm sanskari like that. I love sponsored trips. Do you guys want to see my breakfast view? Wowza! My breakfast. Breakfast does not slap, honestly. It's very mid. I'm surviving on breads. Now, do you want to watch me struggle open my butter? Okay, not bad. Let me slay a little bit. We have a really wonky road to the speedboat here. According to my parents, this is how they went to school. Whoa. आई थिंक मुझे अभी एट दिस पॉइंट ब्लॉग नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज जैसे मैं हूँ कैमरा मैं फ़ोन सब गिर सकती है सो सी ऑन द अदर साइड वेलकम टू द अदर साइड I might have puked. We were in the speedboat and they took us somewhere for sightseeing and बीच में उन लोगों ने रोक दिया and they said जिसको snorkeling करना है कर लो and जो snorkeling नहीं कर रहा है is just gonna stay in the boat and वो boat जैसे waves में ऐसे हो रही थी उस समय oh god I was feeling so pukish real sea sickness मेरे को तभी realize हुआ half an hour के लिए वो ऐसे waves not happening I puked of course in a plastic bag but I puked now it's okay. We're at Fifi Island and my dad has somehow found an Indian restaurant here as well. We are now at Thai Island and it is so pretty here. The water is so clear. Look at it. I am back home. I'm so tired and I need to shower. So I'm gonna take a hot shower and then we're gonna go out again to have some dinner and do a little bit of shopping. Hopefully I'll get my battery tonight for the digital camera. Let's hope. Do you guys want to see the bubble bath my mom made for me? How cute! Change of outfits and now I'm here at Putong. Do you want to see the scene for shopping here? Let me show you. I think my mom is going a bit crazy. Clearly. Quick update. I did not get my battery. My digital camera's battery, which is sad. I tried finding it a lot, but I couldn't find it anywhere. 1 second. Yes. इस सच में को वो लग रहा है. Is that a top or a skirt? That's a top. I'll show you guys my outfit tonight. That skirt is screaming me. Good morning. Look at that view. How can someone ever get over this view? Oh my god. Should I move here? Papa! Look at my dad, contemplating life, enjoying his retirement. I'm visiting some temples in Phuket. They're absolutely gorgeous. I also put on jeans above my shorts for this temple. I'm sanskari like that. This is the entrance. Men, take notes. Wrong choice of slippers today. Okay, I'm currently editing this video and I realized that I did not really give any context of what is happening in this part of the vlog. So basically at this temple there were 4 classes and each class had multiple sticks with a number written on it. So you had to pick one glass up and then you shake that glass and naturally one stick should come out. And then you check what is the number written on that stick and then you go to the other part of the temple, and in that area there were multiple messages for each number, and then you go and check what is the message for you based on the number you've gotten. गिरे तो बताना मम्मी. हाँ मेरे गिरे तो बताना.
One eternity later.
Remember the number? Can I wish?
वो जो नंबर है
I want pink. Temple fortune number 23. What Shalong? The Thai meaning main fortune. This is an
unfavorable fortune आएगा.
your luck during this period is not very good. Be careful because someone may cause trouble or harm you. बेकार ही है.
Avoid arguments, be cautious, stay calm and patient, pray and show respect to Buddha.
Take 2. I'm gonna pick another one. Five and 21. I'm gonna keep it here.
पहला तेरा क्या नंबर है?
21 तो पापा पढ़ा ही नहीं, बोल कि वो भी अच्छा नहीं है, डोंट रीड. लेट्स गो. सब खराब है, कोई बात नहीं. इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़. वी एक्सेप्ट इट एंड वी मूव ऑन. चलो. We are now at Old Town Phuket and the streets here are so pretty. Wait, I'll show you something. Wow. Guess अभी मेरे मम्मी क्या करने वाला है? अभी तो guess कर ले रहा था. Show me. Oh my God, this is my heaven. This is the one. Looks very good. Hi. We're now gonna go to some carnival. I'm not really sure what it is. I think it has some shows, some light shows or some other stuff like that. I'm not really sure. We'll go ahead and find out. But this is what I'm wearing. Like that. This white frill skirt. Let's go.
ज़्यादा आवाज़ मत कर.
लग रहा है. Wow!
Hi. Hello.
I love sponsored trips. Papa,
हाँ बेटा.
thank you for sponsoring this trip.
मेरा बच्चा anytime.
Especially the one sponsored by my dad. We have come for dinner at this carnival and look at the number of people who are having dinner here. भाई कौन सी बारबी की शादी हो रही है? This is what my dream wedding dinner looks like. No, maybe not. This is literally the prettiest washroom I have ever seen. And I'm not the kind of person who would comment on washrooms, so I need to show it to you.
अब तेरा आएगा.
मम्मी एक और खींचो. That's me.
ओ देखो हाँ कैसे लग रहे हैं. ओ देख पापा.
Bye, Carnival Magic. You were so nice to us. We will come back. Hi. We're back to the hotel. I'm all freshened up. And we had the craziest day ever. It was so fun. And yeah, I just wanted to come and talk to you guys before I end this vlog here. And I wanted to be natural and candid about it. And I wanted to show you guys that I'm not always pretty and decked up. This is how I go to sleep. I'm looking like Hagrid right now. My hair is all messy and I have acne scars on my skin, which sucks because I'm on vacation. But it's okay. I have so many other things to be happy about, to be grateful for. When we went to this carnival, there was this one show. It was about the Thai culture and the Thai heritage. And it was a good 1 hour show, and we were not allowed to have phones there, so I was not able to shoot anything. But in that moment, it was just me, my mom, and my dad, and we were enjoying and we were just happy, and I don't know how to explain it. I felt so grateful and so privileged to be able to travel and see the world and see all of these amazing places, and that too with my family, a family that supports me through and through, supports what I want to do, lets me do whatever I want to do. And in that moment when I was just with my parents and we did not have any phones and we were just living in the moment, I was so happy, I was so at peace, and I felt so grateful. Yeah, happy to be capturing all these moments and sharing it with you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next vlog.